Innovative devices that are bound to change the way you work, play and live, from cutting-edge gadgets to mind-blowing technology. So make sure to stick around till the end to catch the best of the best, and don't forget to check the video description for links to all these amazing devices. The Blackview Mega 1 Tablet. Your ultimate blend of power and portability. With its stunning 10.1-inch FHD display, vibrant colors bring your favorite content to life. Powered by a robust processor and long-lasting battery, it's perfect for work, entertainment, and everything in between. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or multitasking, the Mega 1 delivers smooth performance every time. The Hydrogen-Rich Water Cup. This portable hydrogen water generator is crafted from high-quality titanium and includes a premium filter for lasting durability. With its electric hydrogen generation technology, it infuses your water with antioxidants, providing hydration that supports wellness on the go. Compact and easy to use, this bottle is perfect for anyone looking to boost their antioxidant intake, enhance hydration, and support a healthier lifestyle. Looking for the perfect blend of style and functionality? Meet the Huawei Band 9 Smart Bracelet. With its sleek design, vibrant AMOLED display, and lightweight feel, this fitness companion is packed with powerful features like heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and over 100 workout modes. Stay connected with smart notifications, long battery life, and water resistance up to 5 ATM, making it ideal for your active lifestyle. Acylin Surface-Mounted LED Downlight, crafted from sleek matte aluminum and powered by a high-performance cob chip. This modern spotlight is designed to add elegance and functionality to your living room, kitchen, or any space needing focused ambient light. Easy to install and energy efficient, it provides consistent glare-free illumination, making it the ideal choice for style and comfort. The fascinating world of the anti-gravity water drop humidifier, an innovative device that combines sleek design with cutting-edge technology. Imagine a humidifier that levitates water droplets in mid-air, creating a mesmerizing visual experience while effectively adding moisture to your space. Looking for a stylish retro addition to your space? Meet the August MB300B Mini Wood FM Clock Radio. This compact and vintage-inspired radio blends modern functionality with a classic wooden design, perfect for any room. It not only plays FM radio with clear sound quality, but also doubles as a Bluetooth speaker, letting you stream your favorite music wirelessly. The easy-to-read clock display and built-in alarm make it ideal for your bedside or office. Baseus 65-watt GAN fast charger. Digital desktop power strip, the perfect blend of power, convenience, and style for your workspace. With 2 AC sockets and multiple USB-C and USB-A ports, it powers all your devices at once, from laptops to smartphones. The GAN technology ensures faster charging with higher efficiency, while the compact design saves space and reduces clutter. The digital display shows real-time power usage, keeping you in control. Looking for a compact, stylish soundbar that packs a punch? Experience the Baseus DS10 Mini Soundbar Speaker. This little powerhouse delivers immersive sound with deep bass, thanks to its dual speakers and advanced noise reduction technology. Perfect for both your desktop and mobile setup, the DS10 is sleek, portable, and Bluetooth-enabled, so you can enjoy your favorite music or games without messy cords. Black Shark T20 Wireless Earbuds. Engineered for gamers and music lovers alike, these earbuds deliver immersive hi-fi audio with low-latency precision, ensuring every footstep and beat is crystal clear. With an ergonomic design and long-lasting battery life, they keep you connected and comfortable during marathons of gaming or music. Looking for smart glasses that combine style, tech, and convenience? These bone conduction wireless Bluetooth 5.0 smart glasses have you covered. Featuring a sleek, polarized design, they protect your eyes from UV rays while delivering crisp, open-ear sound through bone conduction technology, so you can stay aware of your surroundings. With Bluetooth 5.0, you'll get a stable, high-quality connection for calls, music, and more. Are you looking for a compact yet powerful projector? Meet the BioNTech X25, your perfect companion for movies, gaming, or presentations. With stunning Full HD resolution, 600 ANSI lumens for vibrant colors, even in moderate lighting, and up to a massive 200-inch screen size, this projector transforms any space into a cinematic experience. It's packed with smart features like Android OS, built-in Wi-Fi, and screen mirroring, making it incredibly versatile. Looking for an accurate, comfortable, and reliable heart rate monitor? Meet the Cuspo HW9 Armband Heart Rate Monitor. With real-time heart rate tracking, Bluetooth and Anti+ connectivity, and a lightweight, adjustable band, The HW9 is designed for athletes of all levels. Whether you're cycling, running, or hitting the gym, this armband keeps you in the zone with precise data, long battery life, and compatibility with popular fitness apps like Zwift and Strava. Are you ready to experience a whole new way of watching movies, gaming, and diving into virtual worlds? Meet the Guvis Art XR Smart Glasses headset. With its ultra-high-resolution micro-OLED displays, lightweight design, and a sharp 3D cinema feel, this headset makes immersive viewing more portable than ever. Whether you're connecting to your smartphone, console, or computer, the Guvis Art XR delivers stunning visuals that transform your media experience anywhere. Professional L900 Pro GPS. Drone a game-changer for aerial enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its advanced GPS capabilities, stunning 4K camera, and impressive 30-minute flight time, this drone delivers exceptional stability and clarity for all your aerial photography needs. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or filming action-packed adventures, the L900 Pro SE ensures you get the perfect shot every time. The Time Kettle WT2 Edge W3. Simultaneous translator earbuds a game-changer for travelers and language learners alike. These innovative earbuds offer real-time translation in over 40 languages, making it easier than ever to connect with people from different cultures. With their sleek design and comfortable fit, they're perfect for long conversations or quick chats on the go. Stay hydrated and tech-savvy with the Tuya Bluetooth Smart Water Bottle. This innovative bottle tracks your water intake and syncs effortlessly with your smartphone through the Tuya app, giving you real-time updates and hydration reminders. Its sleek design includes a temperature display so you can enjoy your drink just the way you like it. Experience barista-quality espresso on the go with the Staresso Pro Mirage SP300. This sleek and compact device is perfect for coffee lovers on the go, combining advanced features with ease of use. With its unique design, you can brew rich espresso without needing a bulky machine or electricity. Just add your favorite ground coffee, hot water, and within minutes, you'll enjoy a delicious shot of espresso anywhere. Looking for a way to keep your phone cool during intense gaming sessions? The FlyDigi B7X radiator has you covered with its powerful 30-watt rapid cooling system. This compact device uses magnetic suction to attach securely to your phone so you can enjoy seamless gameplay without worrying about overheating. It's designed to maximize airflow, and the high-speed fan keeps your phone at optimal temperatures even under heavy loads. Colmi R02. Smart Ring, crafted with a military-grade titanium steel shell for ultimate durability. This sleek, lightweight ring isn't just about looks, it packs powerful health monitoring features, including heart rate tracking and sleep analysis to keep you in tune with your well-being. With an IP68 rating and 3 ATM waterproofing, it's ready for any adventure. We're checking out the Harman Kardon Aura Studio 4, a Bluetooth 4.2 speaker that delivers incredible 360-degree surround sound. This stylish speaker is perfect for any space, not only for its premium sound quality, but also its stunning LED ambient light feature that creates an amazing visual vibe. With deep bass and crystal clear highs, it offers an immersive audio experience that's as captivating as it is clear. Are you ready to experience the ultimate in precision and innovation? Introducing the Pentel Orange Nero PP3003-A mechanical pencil, a masterpiece of Japanese engineering. Designed with an automatic reeling mechanism and the advanced Olin system, this pencil keeps the lead protected while delivering an ultra-smooth writing and drawing experience. Available in both 0.3mm and 0.5mm, it's perfect for those who demand accuracy and durability. Meet the Huawei FreeClip Ear Clip headphones, designed for ultimate comfort and superior sound. With their innovative ear clip design, they stay securely in place no matter how active your day gets. Featuring crisp audio quality and deep bass, these headphones let you immerse in music or take calls with clarity. Lightweight and sweat-resistant, they're perfect for workouts or daily use, offering all-day comfort without the hassle of tangled wires. Xiaomi Duca Ataman Q2 Mini Electronic Ruler. This compact digital measuring tool combines a high-accuracy wheel tape measure with a sleek, portable design. Measure curves, straight lines, and irregular shapes with pinpoint precision, making it your ultimate go-to gadget. Lightweight yet powerful, the Q2 takes the hassle out of measuring. These 23 innovative devices are a must for upgrading your tech game in 2025, and I'm sure they'll bring a whole new level of convenience and fun to your life. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more.